One of my clients started our session with, "I'm so stupid, I can't believe I did that." And I sat back for a minute and thought, no, she's not. What is she talking about? And so I asked her to share, and she said that she left her picture off, her car magnets, and she had her car in a parade. Well, as a realtor, you know that face recognition is a big deal. And the fact that she left her photo off, the car magnet actually is kind of a big deal. Well, how do you solve that? I'm Lisa Crilley Mallis, your time management expert, and we're going to talk about systems right now. This was the first time she has been in a parade, in a car, needing a car magnet. So the fact that she forgot to put her picture on it, it's understandable. However, it was a somewhat costly mistake. So in the future, what she's decided to do is create a checklist of all the things that she wants to make sure she considers when it comes to any type of marketing activity. So whether it's a car in a parade, a booth at a fair, or just making phone calls, what are the things she wants to make sure are happening in all of those events? Then she doesn't have to worry about getting at the end and thinking, oh, I wish I would have done that. If you're wondering out ways that you can use checklists in your business to help make things easier and you don't have those duh moments, then I invite you to hit reply to this email, put in your name and phone number, and let's talk about the Propel Your Productivity program. This is where we talk about checklists and procrastination and delegation and a bazillion other time management and productivity concepts that help you grow your business. And we do it in a way that you are able to talk with other business owners and realtors and professionals who are in the same situation you are, so you can learn from each other. So again, really easy. Hit return on this email with your name and your phone number, and we'll talk about the Propel Your Productivity group.